E-commerce sellers, please pay attention here. If you are wanting to increase your sales using email marketing, this is how you do it effectively. A lot of people think that email marketing is just about sales. Wrong, it is not. Here is the secret. What you want to do is you want to create content that you can send to your list that will help them within your market and get a result. When they're buying your fishing rod, if you're in the bass fishing, they're buying that rod to catch the fish. They're not buying the rod just to look at it. Okay, so what we need to do is change our mindset and know that we're trying to help them get a result. So what you would do in this example would be create a piece of content that helps them or answers a question. Can I catch bass with rubber worms? That may be a question. You would create that piece of content, put it on your website, then from there, write an email, send it to them. And guess what? The more times that you get in front of those buyers, they have a greater chance of buying something, right? It makes sense. Listen, super simple, but do it. Here's the deal. If you want my help, you can download our 100-page playbook, which will help you build a better list, a bigger list, and help you sell more of your products. Go check it out, emaillistplaybook.com, under $5, and you'll be able to get started right now.